Welcome to the Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Welcome to Laboratory video series by Miracle Software System. I'm Jyotsna and today I will talk about PI masking and how it is implemented in chatbots. In this video, I would give a brief introduction about PI masking. Before that, I'm going to discuss about data masking and its types. Also going to talk about advantages and managing steps to implement PI masking. As a conclusion, I'm going to give a live demo. Let us discuss something about data masking first. Data masking is a method of creating structurally similar but inauthentic version of an organization's data, which can be used for software testing and user training. The method is to protect actual data while having the functional substitute for occasions when the real data is not used. For simply saying, data masking is creating an alternate version of data that cannot be easily identifiable. Before applying any data masking technique, the type of the data should be identified. We have three different types of data. First one is PII, personally identifiable information. Data which can be used to identify the person or certain individual comes under PII. This includes email, social security numbers or driving license, etc. One is PHI, protected health information. Generally, the data collected by the healthcare service providers comes under PHI. This includes insurance information, laboratory results, medical histories, and health condition results, etc. Next one, PCI, stands for payment card information. The payment card industry data security standards requires merchants that handle credit and debit card transactions to appropriately secure the cardholder's data. Let us discuss briefly about PII. Some of the examples of the PII masking are social security numbers, passport numbers, email IDs, or our phone number. One method of preventing sensitive personal data from falling into hands of hackers is PII masking. This masking technique involves removing or replacing aspects of sensitive data. Actually, keeping PII private is important to ensure the integrity of your identity. With just having a few bits of your personal information, thieves can create false accounts in your name or even create a falsified passport and can also sell your identity to criminals. Following advantages using PII masking. It will protect the privacy of user information, reduces misuse of sensitive content by unauthorized persons, even though the authorized persons can view it and can access it. There is a chance of providing written notification in the case of risk to the actual user. It will reduce the risk of imposture fraud and other security issues. There are three steps involved in managing PII: identification, masking, and auditing. Identification. User data is analyzed first and the sensitive data is identified from it. After identifying the sensitive data, proper masking technique is applied to secure the data. And the third step is completely monitoring is done to ensure that the masking is done properly. Coming to the end-to-end process of PI mask. After applying masking techniques to sensitive data, the original information is stored in database while the masked data is shown to user. An authorized person can view the original data content from the database whenever it is required, and the masked data can be represented with star, asterisk, or dots or any other customized text to the user. Let us have a demo. I'm typing a simple mail ID in chatbot input box. As soon as the bot identifies email format, original mail ID is replaced with masked data. This is how PI masking technique is implemented in chatbot.
Thank you for watching The Laboratory, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs. For more on innovation, please visit miraclesoft.com/thelabs.